All right, good morning, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Not trading anymore this week, but gonna analyze charts a little bit. And look at this. I'm disappointed. So disappointed. So close to that 10 hour. You were yeah, 9 hour. But yeah, it is what it is. It's all right, I banked my 3.1668 or 3.668. I can't remember. I think 3.168. Anyway, I banked my profits there anyway. So, and the rest came back to, I think it was around here. So, let me check. Hold up, let me check my phone. My bad. Oops, wrong account. Nope, hold up. MetaTrader 4, not 5. 10156. That's over here. 101. Oh, why didn't I put it off there? Oh, that's right. So accidentally on that high, I left it. So we banked another 1.3 times 8. Let me calculate it because I don't care about the monetary value. 1.33 times 0.2, 2.66%. All right, banked another 2.66%. All right, that's nice. I want to delete this, but I still have to do my journaling for pictures. I already wrote like my whole story around it, but still do pictures. Yeah, so today, where are we today? Where are we today? We know that we have over here, we have previous daily highs, they're already taken. I'm quickly gonna do it because I have to remove everything again. So I just want to do it like this. Actually, it's easier, but just all right. We got previous daily highs, that's already taken. We have previous daily lows here still intact. Oh, that's not previous daily low. And we can see now if we go to the 5 minute, it's always easier to see that our 5 a.m. high was formed over here, Asia high. And on the bottom, we over here have Asia lows. Yeah, so we are above. Let me have to make a story around it because I'm not prepared yet. I'm always unprepared. Right, so we tap deeper into this 50-minute PY here that sits inside the 50% of our 1 hour supply zone. So we got this 1 hour supply zone. I think, oh, actually, I think they're 50% is already marked out. Yeah. So what I will do is just drag it to the side. If it lets me. So we can more easily see that we reach into that 50%. So yeah, we reach into that 50%. That's nice. Above all highs, we still have this last leg on the light blue range that's still intact. We reacted from the most recent leg to the upside, which is indicating to me that we might continue now higher and might continue bullish on this dark blue structure. Just because we react to the most recent structure instead of completing that range. That would mean that we continue bearish on this dark blue structure and that we invalidate this red structure here. And pretty much the same story here, that we still have that orange structure in line, intact. And for EU, that's this one, of course, from this low to this high. For today, I would say look for shorts. There's no reason to look for longs yet. There's no area, or because I always look at from a London London trade perspective. So I would say look for shorts because to get down here, that's in quite a move. And then move up again, that's a lot for London. So I would say wait for nice confirmation here on the 1 minute. Why the 1 minute? Because we already took previous daily highs and Asia highs. Ideally, of course, want to have a 5 minute confirmation, just better. But we can see we have no early sellers yet on the 5 minute, so there's nothing yet to trade off. What we can see here is that we broke below this one, but respected this low that led to that high. So this is the real low. So no early sellers there. Yes, on the 1 minute we have early sellers, but wait for that 5 minute early sellers, just way cleaner. Also, if you look at it from this perspective, you can just clearly see we have let me get the structure tool. And I think we never reached it. Yeah. So we just reached into that discount pricing for that last leg. But also on these most recent legs. And with this, I don't really look at what's it called? Discount and premium, or well, not really for early sellers. So you just look at the low. We have a nice high, and we have a higher low. This is not really, I class this as a liquidity grab just because this low or this here cost to get to new high, but this leg is not causing a new high, so it's part of this entire leg. Yeah, you probably know it, you understand it. You could say that this, oh, I took the arrow, but this is your liquidity, and then you could say like this is your minor break, and you have a potential entry over here, but that is like, no, that's not it for me, especially not at this time. So, but it is nice because then you can target below this one. But for today, I would say look for shorts, pre-market analysis. Yeah, look for shorts. Liquidity wise, we are above the previous daily highs, above Asia highs. So yeah, I'm gonna no, let me keep it on for now. I will leave this on for the analysis. And for longs, I would say either this most recent leg up, although we can see that that leg doesn't have that much liquidity to it. We can see that we have an Asia low, but it's not that strong. Then we have this wick and this low. We have a nice cluster of candles. Nice cluster of candles here where we can trade from, but other than that, I would even say wait now for price to here come down here. Or just focus on shorts, or wait if you don't want to short yet. But I don't know why you don't want to short, but then you can wait for this area up here. But then you come up to this previous weekly high and this previous weekly high here. I'm surprised that I still know that. And yeah, it's just a POI. No supply zone. And then you can maybe short from up here, but you have those two above, and you're really close to fulfilling the bullish leg to the upside. Now, what we can say though is that it took quite a long time to get back up again compared to how we moved down. So that's really interesting because that might that might mean that or result in that price will hold that red structure, that bearish one, or that after breaking bullish here, we gonna break bearish here, like just as a liquidity gap. Another, of course, very possible scenario is that we break above the blue one, then we get below this one, so break bearish on the light blue one, and then we continue further up to the upside. But that's further on this year. I think we will and come there in like Q4. because yeah, Q1 and 2 were quite slow as well. Well, not slow, but look where we started on January, and we are just 200 pips higher in February compared to this is January 2022, and then July was all the way down here, which was a good we're seeing like 1500 pips, 1600 pips ish. So yeah, EU shorts for now. How can we line it up with DXY? Well, DXY is in a nice area for longs, but pro structure already far below this low, and DXY didn't have that what's it called, return to premium pricing, not even on the most recent leg, whereas EU did. So yeah, interesting. But DXY is in a nice area, 4-hour demand zone here, where you can trade from inside a 4-hour PY right now, if I'm correct. Yeah, we have the PY over there. Other than that, we have those equals below there, so I would be mindful of that. Those equals here, I would be mindful of that, and maybe look long for longs after that. Otherwise, shorts from this area. There's so much short trades because we are in a long market, and that means that we usually, or a lot of times during Asia, we are above old highs, above previous daily highs, etc. That's my whole entry drill. So that's just why there is a lot of shorts. If you look over here, there are probably a lot of long trades because we were a lot below lows. But again, this was with way more momentum to the downside compared to this to the upside. So yeah, this is a nice market to trade, easy to trade. Also got to keep in mind that there will be periods coming where there's not clean price action to trade. So yeah. Then for GU, now getting really close to that supply zone up here. Very nice, like that. Taking all this liquidity, and for GU, it's really just focus on the most recent structures. But why is it not letting me there? Currently, there's just not much to go with. The momentum to the upside is high. That which lines quite well up quite well with EU DXY, where momentum is quite high to the downside compared to EU, where we have cleaner structure to trade with, or we had cleaner structure to trade with. But DXY and is looking, or EU and GU should be looking to long. Now looking at this, first of all, want to see price come above Asia highs. From above Asia highs, we want to look for an entry drill. Already took up previous daily highs up here, so just mark that out. Not that one. This one. I think that's previous daily low. I'm not quite sure. She marked it out wrong. Which one is it then? Ah, because after 10. So yeah, that one is previous daily low. Compare to that's kind of wise because 10 new daily candle gets formed. Or 9, I don't know. But yeah, so time wise, this is your previous daily low. Candle wise, this is your previous daily low. But yeah, for GU, I would say the same. Look for shorts. Oh yeah, nice equals here building up. Asia high now still intact. it's a bit tricky. Shy. Because we can see that we have those relative equals. And if we break down now, which is not clean structure, if you ask me. This is just one high that loaded little high. Ideally, you want to see 1, 2 break. It's just cleaner. So GU, yeah, also I always say GU is a bit harder for me to read because my whole strategy is based on EU price action and it works in GU, just doesn't occur that much. So yeah, but yeah, so GU EU shorts again, but we gotta wait until it's a little bit cleaner. This one already happened actually, but we'll see. All right, that's it, I think. And of course, for DXY, be careful with those equals to the left. But at the same time, if you enter 0% here, you shouldn't care at all about these equals because entry drill is entry drill. Although you could say that it's higher probability for you, maybe if you're more a liquidity-based trader than a supply and demand or structure-based player, so trader. So structure-based is more that you trade from POIs and supply and demand zones, or that's it for me. And if you're more liquidity-based, you wait for highs and lows to be taken before you look for trades. Then I would say, if you're more liquidity-based, then I would say maybe below this is your highest probability trade rather than here. Although you are below those until no liquidity takes so long as very valid from this area. That's it. I'm heading out. I'll upload this soon. Peace out.